masyadong sasakyan. Parang probinsya to eh, kaya hindi ganun kadami, kaya maganda rin mag-drive. Tsaka maganda ang araw, maliwanag. So kailangan nyo lang gumamit na GPS. Yung Google GPS is okay na, yun ang ginagamit ko ngayon eh. Okay, see you later. Hey guys, dito na kami sa Fistera. Here. Parang kami sa Fistera. Yung 00 kilometer or mas kilala sa tawag na end of the world. So punta kami dun sa marking na 00.
There's also some signage here, like the one with like this.
Okay. So dun yung 00 kilometer na stone. Saan ba?
End of the world.
Here.
Mark.
Where is it? There. So tingnan natin. Ivan, check. Hello.
Gosto de tirar uma mochila aqui da cá.
So, yeah. Tayo na ang 00 kilometer. Galing. Let's go. So, dito na kami sa 00 kilometer. Go down. Here, 00 kilometer. Say hi.
Hello.
Here. 0.
End of the world. Nothing at all.
Let's go.
They just put zero and everything. That stone is so lucky. Out of all the stones, he's the luckiest one.
Oh, can you say?
So being at the coordinate 00 is pretty exciting. Spawn point.
So napapansin ko lang madalas laging may mga ganito dito sa airspace ng Spain. I don't know kung mga fighter jet yan or mga aircraft, passenger, Boeing. So, ang dami nila laging ganyan.
So, we're at the end of the world. The coordinates are 0, 0, 0.
So, itong nasa likod ko ay Atlantic Ocean. So, kung titignan nyo sa mapa, from Fistera, all the way, diretso to, will be North America. So, wala kang makikitang kahit na anong island dito, kaya siguro nung unang panahon na makita nila ito, siguro kala nila ito na yung end of the world, kaya ngayon ang tawag dito is end of the world, Fistera. So that is the whole body of ocean, North Atlantic Ocean. So ito yun. Go from this way, you'll see North America. And also I think somewhere in the west is Africa. So yeah, it's good. Sobrang blue. Pupunta muna kami sa Musha, and siguro kakain kami doon, and then after babalik na ulit kami sa Santiago de Compostela, dun sa accommodation namin.
We're in a place, there's a lighthouse, and there's a bunch of waves. It looks really cool.
Hi, we're now in Musha. So dito yung movie na The Way, kung saan niya yung artista doon si basta si Martin Sheen. Dito niya sinabog yung ashes ng anak niya dito sa lugar na to.